of course, the part that I really enjoy is the fact that my wife thinks I look like a lot younger, and I feel and I look healthier. So, overall, this practice has been phenomenal. I don't regret any decisions that we made to come here. Okay, so I am really impressed with the healthcare team that is here. They've taken really great care of us. We feel like family. We moved from Denver, Colorado to Puerto Vallarta to improve our health. And we ran across this practice, and as soon as we walked in the door, we said, this is the place that we want to be. Everybody is professional. It's a wonderful facility, and like I said, people treat us like family. So we signed up for a 3-month protocol, and I will tell you that as we were progressing through our protocol, they made changes to accommodate the various situations that we had. So in my situation, when we first I was diagnosed in July of 2022 at Mayo Clinic. I was diagnosed with Parkinson's, and I was experiencing symptoms like tremors. My gait, my walk was very kind of curvy, and I was losing my short-term memory. Like I said, I was diagnosed in Mayo Clinic in 22. In March of 23, we moved here. I found a neurologist here, and they took some initial tests just to kind of baseline where I am. And then after the 3-month stem cell protocol, literally all of my symptoms went away. I no longer had tremors. The gait problems that I was experiencing with my walking, that all went away. The tests that they ran for short-term memory, I came back. I aced them. They were perfect scores. So the only thing that I can contribute that to is the stem cell therapy and all the protocols that they did here to help me out. So on October 31st of 23, so of last year, I went back to Denver to have back surgery. I had some issues with my spine. They did a partial discectomy. Typical recovery from that is probably, in the 4 to 6 week time frame. Within the week, I flew back here. Within 2 weeks, I was up and walking around and picking stuff up, and my recovery time, I think, was significantly shortened because of the treatment that I've experienced here. Shortly after I got back here from having my surgery, I started experiencing some dental issues. The dentist that has been working in my mouth, he had to physically extract a tooth out of my mouth and sew it up, and we're going to work on an implant. And one of the things that they had to do is they said, we want to wait 3 months so that your bone can heal. Well, as it turned out, my bone healed a lot faster, and so they were able to put the implant in just a couple weeks ago, and within a few weeks I'll get the permanent implant. And then, of course, the part that I really enjoy is the fact that my wife thinks I look like a lot younger, and I feel and I look healthier. So, overall, this practice has been phenomenal. I don't regret any decisions that we made to come here. I would recommend this to anyone.